next gentleman hails out of Bellingham, Washington, and the truck that wants to make the rest of the monsters walk the plank. Ladies and gentlemen, Mike Welch and the Pirate Pete!
No, that was the other one. The one that had the little bubble.
Pirate Pete, Mike Welch coming up to the line right now. Welch in the 1934 Ford Victoria. Welch, we first saw him come on with the circuit in the Super Pete. That was a tall purple semi. Still around, not really a race vehicle as much as the Pirate Pete. We'd also like to send out a big thanks to Dick Pro, Joe Binder. You can get a hold of them at 442 Dent. They'll take care of paintless dent repair and door ding. And it looks like they may have a problem with the Pirate Pete. They checked the RII and have a tough time bringing it back to life. There it goes. 468 dividends blown, injected, running on alcohol. And one of the savviest drivers on the circuit. And Mike Welch, he just came back from Hawaii. As did Dennis Anderson in the Gravedigger. Everybody a little bit tentative on the track here on the first round of the qualifying. I don't look for a signature pronunciation in the high voltage, also Maniacova. Sponsored by Salinas Auto Stereo, Warren Trailmaster, and Mitzi Cam. 461 cubic inch blown injected Chevy power plant. Lining up against the Pirate Pete. Who's pulling for the Pirate Pete? Who's pulling for the Gravedigger? If